Welcome back to the shop, guys. Today we're working on the 240. Zach's gonna do most of the work. Gotta get this car ready for Cars and Coffee on Sunday. We're gonna do the motor mounts. I'm gonna take out the solid mounts because the car vibrates itself to death. And after that, we're going to put in the stock control arms because the car has too much camber. So basically, I'm just unhotboying my car. For the motor mounts, I have the excessive mounts. And those are going to be replaced by the OEM style mounts, just for less vibration. I've already started painting the OEM lower control arms. They have new ball joints in them, and we're going to press new bearings into them. So those will be done soon. Alright guys, so we got the motor mounts in. Take a peek. Got the new OEM ones in there. And now we're going to start taking the lower control arms out, get the Techno toys out that are extended, and put in the OEM ones. Alright guys, the lower control arms are on. We're going to see how the alignment worked out, or the eyeball alignment that we did worked out. Definitely a lot less camber than it was. Doesn't look too bad. Whoa. So just started the car, it's a massive difference. Turn like a kitten out, not too much vibration. So I'm really happy, I'm really excited to take this thing for a drive. Alright, so we're in the 240. These are our gauges because those don't work. 15% battery. Would it help to go in reverse? Probably that instead of fourth. Tell you what, motor mounts already feel way better. This is insane, dude. Wow. So it's the next day, it's Saturday. Last night the car drove great. I'm so happy with it. But today I want to finish the coil packs. I want to get those on the car, replace the distributor. So let's go through a game plan real quick. So obviously, old distributor setup. We're going with K-Series coils. Already have the Nice Time Racing coil pack adapter, and I'll put the link to that in the description. It's a really nice piece. So what we're going to do is just simply get rid of the old coil wires. We're going to plug in the new coil packs, run the harness to it, and get it powered and get it hooked up to the ECU. So let's talk about the hardware we're going to use. The setup I'm using is a Panic Wire harness. Mark Panic at Panic Wire did a great job hooking me up, helping me get my car started even. We're using K-Series coils, like I said. It's going to be controlled by the Link Engine Management, and then the coil distributor covers made by Excessive. So that's it. And I'll put the link in the description to all these parts. Alright, so got the coil packs screwed in. I got the hole in the firewall drilled. Really at this point we just need to hook up the connectors, hook up power and ground, clean up some of the wiring, and then we can try it. I gotta cut that post off, gotta cover up the coil pack, I gotta cover up the distributor, and that's about it. So looking at this diagram here for the distributor, pins 7 and 8 are the power and ground for the coil. So I'm gonna tap into that black and red wire for the 12-volt power. That's gonna feed all the coils. All right, so we got the 12-volt power wire hooked up to the coil. Everything's ran, so now pretty sure we just gotta plug stuff in. Now, I need to figure out how to run this thing. Okay, there's... Just getting that ground tightened up. Okay, so cut to this. I don't know if I had a bad ground or if I just needed to let it crank a little more. I don't really know what happened, but it's running now, so that's good news. So I'll let it warm up. It's been idling for a bit, and then we'll take it for a drive. So I got everything cleaned up now. Have the distributor cover on. I had to cut the post, pull the rotor out, Tessa taped that, zip tied a few things. I still need to get a grommet for where it goes through the firewall. But yeah, just a really clean look. Alright guys, Sunday morning, it's Cars and Coffee. Getting the shop cleaned up. Got the squad here.
Plastic tabs yesterday. They're rusted, so they got to be somewhere underneath. Sam, you took them out of your that thing. These aren't even a part of the mold. Hopefully, it still goes back on. Okay. So, okay, see this thing? It's black tab. You got to make sure that pops in first. That's like.
End it.